Hi, my name is Regina Fleming. I am a deputy with the Columbia County Sheriff's Office in Georgia. If you are a police officer or security officer, you need to know about this mobile and web-based app, Thin Blue Defend. I don't have to tell you about the climate we now work in as police officers out on the streets protecting the public. Thin Blue Defend is a mobile and web-based app to be used in your defense to immediately document facts when you are involved in a use of force situation that results in injury or death to a person in the performance of your duties. This information is critical in your defense and can greatly assist your attorney in representation. Thin Blue Defend was created by a retired Georgia Bureau of Investigation agent after 38 years of investigating and assisting with the defense of officers who were charged criminally from these incidents, sometimes by district attorneys even before the investigation was completed. He has seen that information and evidence has been lost, destroyed, not collected, or even ignored by the investigating agency that would have greatly assisted in the officer's defense. Before an incident can be documented, from the website, you must upload all of your personal information to include your department, all equipment, either issued or personal, with photographs, make, model, serial number, and weight. Other features document important certifications, court dates, important contact information for a spouse or significant other, supervisor, pastor, counselor, and attorney. These numbers are touchdown numbers because if you're involved in a dynamic situation, you may not be able to type in numbers. In fact, the entire section of documenting an incident is user-friendly. All inputs following an incident are checkboxes or one-button access to your phone's camera or audio recording, thus eliminating any typing of characters. Thin Blue Defend allows you to immediately collect and document facts on your own personal mobile device after certain criteria are met, such as the threat has been contained, anyone with injuries have been attended to by emergency medical technicians, you, the officer, have been examined by EMTs, and certain restraint techniques have been addressed. Thin Blue Defend guides you through categories to document evidence such as current weather and lighting conditions, your physical conditions such as injuries to you, your clothing, your equipment, the suspect's conditions, what was said to the suspect, actions by the suspect, what you perceive were threats, and many other facts that affected your decision in using force. After incident documentation includes what transpired with the investigating agency, such as what items were seized from you, how were the items seized, was it by search warrant or consent, details of the interview, and what advisements were given to you. After an incident such as this, an officer's memory is slow to recall certain facts. Therefore, the website is then used to add information later. To better protect your attorney-client privileged information, Thin Blue Defend can only be installed on a personal cell phone and not a mobile device issued or paid for by a government agency or company for which you are employed. For the same reason, when signing up and creating an account, it must be done with your personal email and not one provided to you by your agency or company. Once an incident is documented, the information can then be provided to your attorney. This app, Thin Blue Defend, may be the difference between a guilty verdict in a trial resulting in 30 years in prison or a not guilty verdict and you walking out of court as a free person. As a law enforcement officer, I urge you to please go to www.thinbluedefend.com to sign up today. Please be safe and always be aware of your surroundings.